Welcome back, guys. So the next topic is very simple: clear formatting. How can we do that? For example, you have done formatting somewhere and you want to clear all the formatting. You want just default blank tabular form in the Excel sheet. How you can do that? Just select, for example, I want to remove this C and D columns formatting. How can I do that? It's very simple. Just select C column and D column and go into your format, then select the last option, clear formatting, or you can use a shortcut as well, control slash, right? It's given here, right? So I am clicking on clear formatting and you guys can see here automatically my formatting has been removed, right? In previous video we have applied conditional formatting as well. So if I want to remove, I just select that formatting, go into the format, clear formatting. So you can see this is very easy to clear formatting, right? So if you guys still have any query, question, comment it into the comment box, or share this video to your friends, colleagues, and please do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.